Hello all, 29th of October 2016, Dan here from Essex, United Kingdom. Just today, a quick little review and demonstration. KM94RC once again with long reach hedge trimmer attachment. A little bit about it very quickly. Pull cord, priming bulb, choke, throttle, stop, handle, another handle or brace here for extra height. Stihl, obviously German company, which in my opinion make first class tools. Okay, so let's go. Just going to start it. One good thing about this model is you put it on choke, then it automatically comes off of choke once it's started, which is great for saving time. So you get the idea. This is a very tall hedge, but I can get it from the bottom. One good thing about this as well is the end is adjustable, so you can get different angles on it. So if you want to cut a hedge at that angle, whatever. Obviously because I'm working up high, I've got it straight. All adjustable, and it locks nicely as well. Let's do a little bit more. I don't know if you can, all the way up here. So you get a nice cut off of that. I have done, you know, you probably get about, cut things like that. Of course you've got to be careful. You've got to keep it sharpened and properly serviced. But the thing is, one good thing about this tool here, depend any attachment you've got for it, because it, just let me do this, it comes apart in the middle. And you just put it in like that, and you can see this here, you just tighten this nut up, and that's what holds it together. So if you've only got a small car or a small storage space, you can still store it simply because it comes apart in the middle. This is a highly portable item, and it's quite lightweight as well, which of course when you're trimming hedges you don't want a ridiculously heavy hedge trimmer. Make sure you mix your two-stroke properly, and this should last you a long time. I mean, I've given this some seriously heavy usage since I bought this, and comes up smiling every time. So I recommend it. Top quality product once again. All the best.